Elon Musk's Neuralink just got FDA approval, something straight out of science fiction, a brain chip that could help blind people see again. Blindsight works by implanting a chip that communicates directly with the brain. The chip processes visual data and sends it to the brain's visual cortex, allowing individuals to see even without functioning eyes. Now, the first version of Blindsight won't give you perfect vision. Musk says it will be similar to pixelated graphics from old school video games, but over time, the resolution could improve dramatically. In the future, this technology could allow users to see beyond normal human sight. Things like infrared, ultraviolet, or even radar waves could be visible through the brain chip interface. Blindsight has earned the FDA's breakthrough device status, which means Neuralink can fast-track its development and testing process, bringing the tech closer to reality. But Neuralink's vision doesn't stop there. They're also working on devices to help paralyzed patients control digital devices using only their minds. The future of brain-machine interfaces is just getting started. What do you think? Could technology like Blindsight change the way we experience the world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.